Welcome to Kharis tutorials on Africa TV. I remain Simeon Grace. In our tutorial today, I'll be taking us through how to sew a lovely kaftan dress. We made the cutting in our last class. If you are watching this, don't forget to watch how to cut. The link is on the description below. Today, the tutorial is going to be basically sewing, and as you can see, you can decide to make it a press button or a zip by the side, on the shoulder, or a slit. You get more of it in the tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel or Africa TV. Click on the notification button as well in order to get notifications for our upcoming videos. So let's move on. The first thing I'm going to do here is to turn the front. Remember in our last tutorial, I said this is the front. So all I'm going to do is to turn this so I can use the front to turn the neck. I'm bringing the two fronts together. So that's what I'm doing first. So let's work on that. I'm going to sew on this. I'll notch and top stitch on the inside fabric, the inside material. Then I'll turn this back to get the front. Okay, so this is the front. I'm going to do the same to the back. This is the back, so I'm going to turn it and I'll sew. Start sewing, I'll top stitch on the inside fabric, then I'll turn inside out. So let's see what we have. Okay, so after doing that, this is what we have. This is the front neck and this is the back. The next thing we're going to do is to join the shoulder. To do that, I'm going to bring the shoulder together. Now remember, we need to fold this part. Okay, let's fold this first. To fold in this side, you can use your hemming gum. I've made a tutorial on how to use hemming gum, so in case you just want to use your hemming gum, you can just use that. You can also hem using your needle and thread, and you can fold in and just run a straight sewing on it. So let's do that first. I'm going to sew on this side and on the inside I'm going to do the same thing. All right, that has been done. So we just join the shoulder, and I'm going to use this because here at the front we have this is shorter to the shoulder measurement. So I'm going to use this. This is longer, and I'm going to use it to turn. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. Alright, so now we're going to move to the sleeve. Alright, on the sleeve, I'm going to fold in with 1.5 inches. Then I'll bring it together to measure the round sleeve. And the round sleeve divided by 2, that's 5.5 inches. I'll do the same on the other sleeve before we attach it to the main dress. So to fix this to the main dress, you have to make sure the armhole are equal. This is 10 inches. From the shoulder measurement is 15 inches. So I'm going to measure the 15 inches to be sure. In case you have any excess, you can trim it out. Okay, just half an inch and half an inch. Also, the 8.5 inches for the armhole. This is a 8.5, so I'm going to trim it out. So we have 10 inches. I'm going to bring it from the side, and I'm going to join together. So I'll repeat the same on the other side. Okay, remember this is a tutorial. Make sure you weave all the necessary parts inside the dress. Also, it is necessary for you to iron. I'm using a shaky material, and also it's a bit stretchy. So the time we iron or weave and do all the necessary finish, it's going to come out really nice. And on the back part, this side, that's the slit on the back, I'm going to fix my bra hook so as to hold this together. So that's the end of the tutorial. We've come to the end of our tutorial. I'm sure you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Click on the notification button as well to get notifications for our upcoming videos. I remain Simeon Grace. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Africa TV. You can as well follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class. Bye.